Assembling your Piston Pro. Congratulations on your recent Piston family purchase. We are stoked you are part of the Couette family. Here's a quick video to help walk you through the super simple assembly of your rack. A few things before we get started. Read the assembly guide before starting the assembly. Locate and audit the provided parts. Lay them out for easier assembly. We recommend inserting the center beam assembly into a vehicle hitch for an improved assembly experience. Insert center beam assembly into your hitch receiver. With your rack and the hitch receiver, make sure the hitch pin holes are aligned. Insert the hitch pin through the holes in the hitch receiver and the piston shank. Secure with hitch pin lock. Using the 8mm security hex key, fully tighten the flat lock cam and secure the piston in your hitch. Do not exceed 30 Nm. Next, slide foot lever into position on center beam assembly. Installing M6 washer and M6x45 bolt using the 5mm hex key. Fold rack up and down using the pivot lever. Each piston tire tray features an easy clip tab that will hook into a slot on the center beam, allowing the tire tray to hang in place during assembly. Hook labeled A tray to A position on center beam. Hook labeled B tray to B position on center beam. Your piston arrived with security tabs beneath each one-tap lever. Pull tab upward to remove each and operate the lever. Open each arm by tapping the one-tap levers. Do not hold the lever down when opening or closing. Opening piston arms provides easier access to tray bolt and tray nut locations. Insert M10x165 into A tray, through the center beam and into M10 nut. Tighten with 8mm hex key. Open each arm by tapping the one-tap levers. Stand back and watch. Each arm will fully open automatically. To close, simply push arms back down into stowed position. Open piston tire cradle arms by tapping each one-tap lever. Based on your wheel size, you can adjust the tire chocks on your piston. Push tabs inward and slide tire cradle up or down tire arm to adjust for measured wheel size. Visually ensure tabs are fully secured in the desired notch. If you have a bike with fenders, be sure to scan the QR code in the user guide to purchase the fender accessory kit. Load bike onto tray. Close arms onto tires until firm contact is made with tire cradles. Should the need arise, bikes can be loaded asymmetrically or oriented in the same direction to accommodate different fitment problems. To further fine-tune fitment, bikes can be adjusted left and right on their individual trays. For unloading bikes, tap each one-tap lever to release tire arms and unload bike. Thread cable through rear wheel, frame, and front wheel when possible. Then cable end loop. Secure cable tip into lock port located on piston center beam. The piston one-tap system allows users to rotate tire arms into a negative position for the installation of the piston e-bike ramp, or conveniently unload a bike in tray 2 without needing to unload tray 1. To fold down, tap one-tap lever to open tire arm. Pull arm down into negative position. To fold the tire arm back up, tap one-tap lever to release the ratchet tension and pull tire arm back up into towing or stowing position. Now that your rack is assembled, be sure to register your rack using the information provided in your box. And this rack, like all of our other products, are covered by our no worries warranty. We've got your rack and your back.